Welcome to Cybersecurity in 60 Seconds, where our goal is to quickly connect you to your cybersecurity world. I'm Mike Echols. Well, the 2022 National Defense Authorization Act, the NDAA, passed the House of Representatives last week. The NDAA is a name for each of a series of federal laws that specify the annual budget and the expenditures for the Department of Defense. Two cybersecurity amendments made it into the final bill. An amendment limiting the terms of the CISA director to 5 years and another establishing a cyber incident review office. Congress also affirmed that the president appoints the CISA director. Other provisions included the authorization of CISA's Cybersecurity program, focus on ICS security, and the codification of the CISA's National Exercise Program, and reporting on how CMMC is affecting small businesses. This is Mike Echols, and I'll talk to you soon.